Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing system-level blocks because most delays come from the OS. Check Do Not Disturb, volume, and notification previews. Turn them on if off. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings Notifications, and confirm message and group tones are set with vibration. Once done, allow WhatsApp to run in background and exempt it from battery optimization. This keeps the app alive to receive push messages. These steps fix the majority of late notice cases quickly and reliably. Next, you address app-level behaviors that cause delays. On Android, clear WhatsApp cache to remove stalled processes. On iPhone, reinstall if notifications still lag because reinstall refreshes push tokens. Make sure background data and mobile data are allowed so WhatsApp can reach the server anytime. Update WhatsApp and your OS to get fixes for known push problems, and check whether your carrier or VPN interferes with Google or Apple push services. If so, temporarily disable the VPN to test. To finish, you reboot the device so all permission and network changes take effect. Then ask a contact to send messages and watch delivery and notification timing. If problems persist, reset network settings as a targeted last resort because it clears Wi-Fi and mobile configs, which often solve unseen routing issues. If none of this works, collect timestamped examples and contact WhatsApp support or consult push token logs so engineers can trace server-to-device delivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.